What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to install Native Trainer on your PC for GTA 5, of course. There's going to be two programs you're going to have to install. One of them is WinZip. The other is ScriptHook 5. WinZip is pretty self-explanatory, but ScriptHook 5 is a little bit more complicated. So for WinZip, just go ahead and press free download. If it should say winzip.exe. Just click it and keep pressing next, and then press install. Close any other tabs it opens, like the thank you for installing and stuff like that. So anyways, I'm gonna leave all these links in the description that I'm on right now. So you're gonna wanna head over to the ScriptHook 5 website. Don't download the SDK version, and don't click on any of these ads. Some of them have viruses. The ones that are here don't have any, as it appears to me. So go ahead and press download. You should see ScriptHook 5 zip, and it should show this icon or like stacked books if you have WinZip installed. So you're gonna want to go ahead and press show in folder. You're gonna want to right click and go to WinZip, and then press unzip to here. Use evaluation version, and it should make its own little like. It should say bin here, so we're just gonna leave that sitting there just for now. You don't need the ScriptHook file anymore, so you can just delete that. And now we're gonna install the Enhanced Native Trainer UI. So you're just gonna want to press this big green download button. I don't know why it's this huge. So just go ahead and press download. It should download another zip file, and we're gonna go ahead and wanna unzip it. It's just unconfirmed download. I'm just gonna reopen. Okay, here we go. So you're gonna want to do the same thing. Unzip to here. Evaluation version. I'll just give it a second to unzip. It's probably gonna appear like really like at the bottom of your files, like the bottom of this. So you can just we don't need the dev C or the release notes unless you need it for some weird reason. So anyways, what you're gonna want to need is you're going to want to go into the bin, and you're going to want to copy everything in there, and you're going to go to your local disk program files, and you find your GTA 5 game directory, and paste all of these in here. Just if it says anything like this, just replace the files. And then you're going to want to select both of these, hold Control and click, and you're going to want to copy these and paste them into your game directory. Press continue with administrator access. Oh wait, I was not in my GTA folder. I am dumb. I was not paying attention. Yet just oh my gosh. Oh, good Epic Games. Put these in your GTA 5 folder. Oh my gosh. Go ahead and I already have Native Trainer installed, so I'm just gonna replace it. It shouldn't pop up for you guys, but if it does, just replace it. And when you launch GTA 5 as an administrator, run as an administrator for the first time. Basically, if you press F4, and you can use the arrow keys, and you have like the Native Trainer UI installed. It's really cool, actually. Just check out the download page. You'll see what I'm talking about. If it says it's out of date, like the ScriptHook or anything, I don't know what to tell you. Just try to find a different download link. I'm pretty sure this is like the main website. It should update. The newest version was released December 18th. So, I mean, it should be new, but if it says that, just try re-downloading it. Try different download links. Just don't go to any sketchy websites. Shut up, Minecraft. I don't care about your free maps. Anyways, see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Sorry I haven't been uploading in a long time. And peace out.